A news story has been trending for the past 24 hours or less. It's not the possible Iran-US war, nor is it the revelation of any other sex predator in the Epstein files. It is the sudden talk of aliens and alien invasion that the former US president as well as the current president are talking about. Yes, you heard that right. A recent clip of former US President Barack Obama is now going viral, where he is saying with utmost confidence that aliens do exist, but he hasn't seen them with his very own eyes.
Are aliens real?
They're real, but I haven't seen them, and they're not being kept in, what is it?
Area 51?
Area 51. There's no underground facility, unless there's this enormous conspiracy, and they hid it from the President of the United States.
What was the first question you wanted answered when you became president?
Where are the aliens?
Where are the aliens?
Now, if this wasn't enough, the current US President, Donald Trump, too hinted at the presence of aliens as being true and ordered all alien files, which contained confidential information about aliens, to be released to the public. Shockingly, there are currently 3.8 billion files that he was referring to be released. Yes, such a huge number of files based solely on the presence and secret knowledge of aliens. But what followed after this order from Trump is even more shocking than having 3.8 billion alien files. An archive of declassified US government files on the subject vanished overnight after Donald Trump ordered the release of all UFO-related documents. On February 20th, ufologist and researcher John Greenewald Jr. was taken aback to discover that almost 3.8 million files had been deleted. Not only did the server contain information about aliens and UFOs, but it also contained military reports, CIA projects, and even information related to JFK's mysterious death. The deletion's timing has sparked debate over whether it was intentional or an accident. So, does this mean that aliens exist? Does this also imply that Earth is highly vulnerable to alien invasions and attacks? Perhaps there is something even darker going on behind the scenes. The truth is that a secret plan is being carried out behind closed doors to plunge the Earth into the darkest phase possible. Whether or not there are aliens has no bearing on us as humans, because we are unaware of all the beings created by Allah. However, these alien files and discussions are not intended to raise public awareness of the impending danger. It is simply to prepare our minds to see such a thing in the future. In short, everything is going according to plan, which includes a massive alien invasion, humans feeling desperate and helpless, and horrors and despair all around. And this is the precise time when an image will appear in the sky. The image will reassure humans that help is on the way. The image will be more akin to a hologram that will speak to every person on the planet and convince them that he is their Lord and that he will return to save humanity from the difficulties it is facing. That image will be of none other than the Dajjal, or Antichrist. The project under which all of this massive planning is taking place is called Project Blue Beam. There is a reason why Hollywood is so interested in making films about alien invasions of Earth. Numerous films have already been made, and many more will be produced in the near future. Many American individuals have claimed to have seen a UFO-like object in the sky on a very still night, but their claims have always been dismissed by claiming that it could be something else rather than a UFO. The fact is that a phony and very dim UFO image is being broadcast repeatedly so that the general public is prepared for the possibility that one day a real UFO will arrive on Earth and aliens will attack the planet. This all-fake invasion will only be carried out so that everyone will turn to the Antichrist for salvation, and as a result, everyone will begin to have complete faith and trust in him. This will bring the world under the dominion of the Antichrist, with only one government ruling, one currency accepted, and only one philosophy prevailing. At that time, Muslims will undergo enormous tribulations and will go to whatever length to avoid the widespread fitna into which everyone has fallen. Allah's Messenger, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, said, "A time will soon come when the best property of a Muslim will be sheep, which he will take on the top of mountains and the places of rainfall, valleys, so as to flee with his religion from afflictions." The truth is that aliens aren't really going to invade Earth anytime soon. The media is spreading false information about the subject, and US presidents have even hinted that the files may have been lost. This is all a ploy to make the general public suspicious and curious, so that when the premeditated event takes place, everyone will think that these fake politicians were really concerned about them. We have entered the time of Dajjal, the age of greatest deceit, and believe it or not, we are about to see an extreme change in events, things that even our eyes will not believe, and things that our ears will stop believing. In this day and age, when the Dajjal, the greatest deceiver of all time, is about to be welcomed, only true believers will be able to discern the truth about what is happening. May Allah save us and our children from the trials and tribulations of the Dajjal. Aamin.